They say you can't teach an old dog new tricks, but this lesson in JavaScript certainly taught me a thing or two. Any teacher can teach this lesson. It comes with a teacher presentation to guide you, as well as a video tutorial. This is one of Code for Kids' extended learning lessons, and you can teach it to your class when they are ready. So let's start. In this lesson, students are introduced to JavaScript syntax through a simple and interactive activity. As my students log in, they may test the dog and her instructor JavaScript. First, they have to drag and drop the ball following the instructions. Now it's JavaScript's turn to give the instructions and my students have to follow. After following the instructions, my students learn a little more about JavaScript. JavaScript is an engineer. She writes commands using functions. Test knows 3 functions this far: move, turn left, note the capital L, and put ball. My students drag and drop to follow the instructions and help Test to move to the next block and put her ball down. Next, it becomes a bit more tricky. My students will type the first JavaScript code by completing the tasks. Now remember, there is a video tutorial, thank goodness, that I used to take me through this lesson and code step by step. Let's move on to task 0. This is where we figure things out and I give my students a chance to learn as we go by helping them write the instructions or lines to code. First, we press play to run the code and see what happens. Next, we have to make Test the dog drop balls along the whole top row. What's missing? Test does not put ball from the start. We type the first line of code, put ball, and add our brackets to close. Press play and see what happens. The great thing about this lesson is that my students see the results immediately as they code. From here on, the tasks become more and more difficult. I would break up this lesson in 2 to 3 parts, depending how fast my students grasp the code. The next few tasks focus on completing the code in order for the results to look like the solutions in the Solutions tab. I'm not going to go into the detail of each one, but speed through to show you how it would go. And that's it, an introduction to JavaScript.